Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Fiverr, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of Fiverr, we'll be required to go to the settings of the phone and not the Fiverr itself. Now open your settings on your phone, and after opening your settings guys, scroll down and you can see the apps option available for us over here just below the battery. Tap on apps and tap on app management over here, and after this loads, search for Fiverr guys and tap on it, and you can see over here guys, in order to log out of Fiverr we'll be required to wipe out the data from Fiverr. So to do that, tap on storage usage just below the data usage over here, and over here you can see this is the clear data, which is this one on the right side over here guys. Tap on clear data over here, and then you will have logged out from your Fiverr on your phone. By this way guys, you'll be able to log out of Fiverr on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.